Hey there, this is Jesse here at Redshift, and today I'll be showing you a quick demonstration of how you can use the Canvas steps within Procedures to create powerful and informative PowerPoint-compatible content. We'll add a new Canvas step to a procedure with some basic content as well as images. So without further ado, let's jump in. We'll start by opening a draft procedure that we have previously created. Then we'll click the Add Step button, where we'll select the Canvas option. To learn more about the other step types, or to see how imports work, be sure to check out the videos linked in the description. We'll call this step Remove Support Material. Then, we'll add a photo that we'll be annotating with shapes and text. First, let's make the image a bit bigger. Then, let's outline the areas we want the user to focus on. We'll make the outlines red so that they're easier to see in our photo, and we'll make the lines a little bit thicker. After adding a few more outlines, let's add some text to go with it. One feature that we recently added was a larger expanded view, which can be accessed through the step menu. Here, we'll also use the Freeform tool in order to outline an area that we had missed previously. Next, we're also going to add an info icon and some text going with it to inform the user that we want a photo to be taken as part of this step. And with that, we're done. It's that simple to create fully editable content within Redshift. To recap, this demo has shown how to use Canvas steps to create powerful and informative procedures. For more content around using Redshift, be sure to subscribe and don't hesitate to get in touch if you'd like to learn more or to get a personalized demo. This is Jesse at Redshift, and we'll see you next time.